coal based electrolysis. See, preparation of alkanes, alkynes also used coal based electrolysis. अच्छा देखो, what are the coal based electrolysis? Generally like RCOONA, sodium salts of carboxylic acid गानी, potassium salts of carboxylic acid गानी, undergoes hydrolysis. We get alkane plus CO2 at anode NaOH and H2 at cathode. अच्छा, for your kind information, this method also methane cannot be prepared. For your kind information, methane cannot be prepared from this method. Methane cannot be prepared from this method. अच्छा, coal based electrolysis देख लीजिए, सोडियम और पोटाशियम salts of carboxylic acid undergoes hydrolysis, alkane is formed. अच्छा, see the mechanism. What mechanism is involved in coal based electrolysis? What is the mechanism involved in coal based electrolysis? It is a free radical mechanism only. Once again, this is a free radical mechanism. Free radical mechanism. अच्छा, कैसा फ्री रेडिकल मैकेनिज्म है? Once again you check it. फ्री रेडिकल मैकेनिज्म है. Take 1-2 moles of like 2CH3 COONA. अच्छा, it will give 2CH3 COO plus 2 Na plus. अच्छा, ఇంకా చెప్పాలంటే నేను ఇక్కడ COO మైనస్ తీసుకున్నాను ప్లస్ 2 Na. చలో, యానోడ్ దగ్గర ఏం జరుగుతుంది రియాక్షన్? వాట్ ఈస్ ద రియాక్షన్ టేకింగ్ ప్లేస్ ఎట్ యానోడ్? యానోడ్ దగ్గర జరిగే రియాక్షన్ 2CH3. अच्छा, I will take 1 mole, no problem, 1 mole. अच्छा, I will take 1 mole CH3 COO minus, right? COO minus. एक CO2 बाहर जाएगा. अच्छा, एक फ्री रेडिकल है, CH3 फ्री रेडिकल है, एक CO2 बाहर जाएंगे. CO2. अच्छा, when 2 free radical, because we take 2 moles na, like 2 moles of free radical है. अच्छा, 2 CO2. Now both free radicals are joined. Reaction is terminated. मतलब we get C2H6. अच्छा, एनोड దగ్గర జరిగే రియాక్షన్, कैथोड దగ్గర obviously NaOH and H2 is formed. अच्छा, in brief గా చెప్పాలంటే अच्छा, ఇలా రాసుకోవచ్చేమో in brief గా. ఇలా CH3 COONA. अच्छा, CH3 COONA. अच्छा, इलेक्ट्रोलाइसिस का मतलब हाइड्रोलाइसिस ओनली. You can split like this. You can split like this. अच्छा यहाँ free radical है, मैकेनिज्म देखो यहाँ free radical है. We can combine both free radicals हैं. मतलब ये वाला ethane है, CO2 है, these are at anode है, NaOH and H. अच्छा simply we can write this is C2H6 है, C2H6 है, 2 CO2 है. अच्छा 2 moles of NaOH है plus H. Ethane can be prepared from this method. Very simple बनना है. Free radical mechanism आप yes you remember free radical mechanism only. चलो एक और एग्जांपल है. एक और एग्जांपल है. COONE 2 moles electrolysis. अच्छा what are the products formed? Formed? 2 moles of COONE, 2 H2O. What are the products are formed? अच्छा simple mechanism आप what is simple mechanism? ये 2 moles of अच्छा यह 2 moles of free radical बनेगा यहाँ से COONE यहाँ free radical बनेगा. अच्छा 1 more molecule of free radical यहाँ बनेगा ऐसा. दोनों ज्वाइन करो. ये कंपाउंड बनेगा. राइट. यहाँ फ्री रेडिकल बनेगा. यहाँ एक फ्री रेडिकल है, यहाँ एक फ्री रेडिकल. दोनों ज्वाइन करेगा. So you can join both together. Just join करो ऐसा both together. ये बनेगा. Means corresponding alkanes पर हाइड्रोकार्बन बनेगा. Cycloalkanes also you are prepared. चलो one more example है. चलो इंट्रामॉलिक्यूलर है. अच्छा देखो ये COONE, this is CONE. This undergoes hydrolysis. अच्छा ultimately what compound formed? The compound formed is benzene. अच्छा this is 100% है benzene है. Benzene is the major compound. Preparation of benzene also possible. Alkanes also possible. Benzene also possible. Alkynes also possible. Cycloalkanes also possible. अच्छा सीधे मैकेनिज्म क्या है? हम यहाँ मैकेनिज्म कैसा है? मैकेनिज्म देख. अच्छा सीधे what is the mechanism over here? अच्छा यहाँ फ्री रेडिकल है, यहाँ फ्री रेडिकल है. राइट. अच्छा मैं क्या करूंगा यहाँ से ये डबल बॉन्ड को मैंने ये फ्री रेडिकल बना, ये फ्री रेडिकल है. ये दोनों फ्री रेडिकल के बीच में एक बॉन्ड है, ये दोनों फ्री रेडिकल के बीच में एक बॉन्ड है. मतलब ये बेंजीन आ गया. सो फ्री रेडिकल मैकेनिज्म जस्ट यू रिमेंबर दिस रेडिकल मैकेनिज्म. सो कैसे दिस कंपाउंड कन्वर्ट इनटू बेंजीन मॉलिक्यूल है. दिस इज आल्सो वन ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ कोल बेस इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस है. चलो वन मोर मॉलिक्यूल है. Now this is called intramolecular also possibility there. intramolecular. Now COONA, intramolecular also possible. अच्छा, see the mechanism hydrolysis क्या the mechanism क्या है? See the mechanism. Very simple mechanism है. यहाँ फ्री रेडिकल बनेगा, यहाँ फ्री रेडिकल बनेगा. देख लीजिए. अच्छा, यहाँ फ्री रेडिकल, यहाँ फ्री रेडिकल, दोनों के बीच में बॉन्ड है. बोथ फ्री रेडिकल के बीच में बॉन्ड है. इन बिटवीन द फ्री रेडिकल बीच में बॉन्ड है. अच्छा, दोनों बॉन्ड ज्वाइन करो, कैसा करेगा? अच्छा, साइक्लोअल्कीन बनेगा. साइक्लोअल्कीन बनेगा. साइक्लोअल्कीन means cycloalkane be prepared, cycloalkenes be prepared. So alkyl halides also, sorry, alkenes, alkynes also prepared now. Suppose if I go for two different, अच्छा ये एक एग्जांपल है. वन मोर एग्जांपल आप देख लीजिए. CH3COONA plus H2O. अच्छा, C2H5COONA plus H2O. Now one molecule of CH3COONA and one molecule of C2H5COONA on hydrolysis. अच्छा, case one, in case one there is no ambiguity. There is no ambiguity. Here 2 moles to take, you have 2 moles to take. There is no ambiguity. अच्छा, methyl free radical. So major compound is C2H6. There is no ambiguity. But here also there is no ambiguity. One ethyl free radical, one more ethyl free radical. Both you can combine C4H10. Because here free radical is C2H5. Two free radical, here CH3 free radical. Both combine karo C4H10, C2H6. But there are possibility A, B, C, D, C. Three compounds are possible. Just like Urji reaction, three compounds are possibility there. अच्छा, compound A. अच्छा, there is a possibility of 2 methyl है, मतलब C2H6 है. There is a possibility of 2 ethyl है, C4H10 है. अच्छा, 1 methyl, 1 ethyl है, possibility C3H8 है. C3H8 है, C2H8 है. These are also possible. Means just like Urji reaction, here several byproducts also possible है. If you take a odd number of carbon atoms, it is also applicable to even number of carbon atoms. If in case of odd number, different mixture of alkanes also obtained. Now here चलो एक है. Suppose నేను ఒకటి ఇథైల్ ఒకటి టెరిషియర్ తీసుకున్నాను అనుకోండి. चलो एक एग्जांपल है. एक एग्जांपल है. वन इथाइल తీసుకున్నాను. సారీ, वन इथाइल తీసుకున్నాను నేను. COONA. సెకండ్ నేను ఒక టెరిషియరీ తీసుకున్నాను నేను. CH3COONA తీసుకున్నాను. Undergoes hydrolysis. अच्छा, can you predict which of the following compound is a major compound? Can you predict? Which are the major compound? Can you predict? अच्छा, first you see the mechanism. You see the mechanism first. अच्छा, one free radical formed over here. CH2 CH3 free radical. CH2 CH3 free radical. अच्छा, एक और free radical here possible है. One more free radical is possible over here. Shall I write one more free radical like this? One more free radical like this. One more free radical is possible there. Now, अच्छा, just like we know in case of Urji reaction, tertiary alkyl alkenes are major compound. Here also alkenes are major compound. disproportionation reaction take place. कैसा disproportionation reaction है? Shall I write like this, sir? CH2H. अच्छा, CH2 बॉन्ड का मतलब क्या है? ये पेयर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन, इन दोनों के बीच में एक बॉन्ड है, ये यहां जाएंगे. And say this is called disproportionation reaction. Whenever tertiary alkyl halide, disproportion is more possibility. So that means here CH3, CHE, CH3, double bond CH. अच्छा, एक alkene बनेगा ऐसा, एक alkene बनेगा ऐसा, एक alkene बनेगा ऐसा. Then remaining is alkene, C2H6. C2H6. मतलब the salt containing tertiary group, secondary group less predominant only. In case more alkenes are predominant only. In case of primary alkyl groups, always alkanes are major compound only. Primary. In case of tertiary, alkenes are major compound. So primary, secondary, there is no disproportion. For example, I go for both are methyl. अच्छा, both are methyl. Both are methyl. अच्छा, CH4, CH2 free radical is मना है. This is not possibility there. This proportion not possible है. अच्छा, suppose I can go for methyl and ethyl है. Methyl and ethyl है. Methyl and ethyl है. Yes, possibility there here. What is the possibility here? But less possible only. Here bonding is like this. अच्छा, दोनों के बीच में बॉन्ड है. ये आयोडीन यहाँ ऐड करेगा. CH4 plus ethylene है. But in number of alkyl groups increases, more tendency to go for disproportionation reaction. In case of methyl, there is no chance of formation of alkene only. But remaining ethyl है, isopropyl है, tertiary butyl है. So in those cases, alkenes are major compounds. So coal-based electrolysis means you don't go for a mixed alkanes for preparation only. You go for even number of carbon, the better yield we get alkanes only, right? So this kind of application they may ask in JEE examination as well as NEET high-level examination. This kind of question they may ask, right? Now, अच्छा, two more applications है. Preparation of alkenes to alkyne लो नेचुकुंटा. Preparation of alkene alkyne. One more is अच्छा, sodium succinate अंटाम दीने. Succinic acid, sodium succinate अंटाम. Sodium succinate अंटाम. Sodium succinate अंटानो. Sodium succinate ने hydrolysis చేస్తే अच्छा మనకు వచ్చే కాంపౌండ్ ప్రిపరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్కీన్ లో కూడా చెప్పుకుంటాం మనం. ప్రిపరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్కీన్ లో अच्छा देखो ప్రిపరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్కీన్ లో చెప్పుకుంటాం. ఇవి రెండు యానోడ్ దగ్గర, ఇవి రెండు క్యాథోడ్ దగ్గర. अच्छा ఈ ఫ్రీ రాడికల్ కంబైన్ చేస్తే ఆల్కీన్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. CH2 డబుల్ బాండ్ CH2 plus 2CO2. These are at anode. అంటే క్యాథోడ్ దగ్గర 2 moles of NaO వచ్చి 2 moles of NaO వచ్చి plus H2. These are at cathode. अच्छा, preparation of alkenes also we used. Preparation of sodium succinate అంటే sodium fumarate అంటాం, sodium malleate అంటాం మనకి. Preparation of alkynes చూద్దాం. Preparation of alkynes HCONA. Sorry. Succinic acid, sorry, malic acid తీసుకుందాం. Malic acid. CONA. Hydrolysis. अच्छा, यहाँ फ्री रेडिकल यहाँ कंबाइन करो CO2 ANaOH. दोनों फ्री रेडिकल कंबाइन करो, बिकम ट्रिपल बॉन्ड. मतलब acetylene is prepared from this method. 2 moles of CO2. अच्छा 2 moles of NaOH and H. अच्छा generally coal-based electrons preparation of cycloalkanes also, cycloalkenes also, alkenes also, alkynes also, alkanes also we use it to prepare. So this is very important application है coal-based electrolysis है, note करो. Preparation of alkene, alkyne, alkane, cycloalkane, cycloalkene also note करो. Now, coal-based electrolysis is different from Kolb's reaction. Coal-based electrolysis is different from Kolb's reaction. This coal-based electrolysis, what is the Kolb's reaction? What is the Kolb's reaction? Kolb's reaction and coal-based both are different type. What is the Kolb's reaction? What are the Kolb's reaction? Actually, this is very important in phenol chapter. In phenol chapter, I think somebody might know this. Phenol, NaOH, CO2 at about 140 degrees Celsius, 6 to 7 atm pressure, we get salicylic acid. Orthohydroxybenzoic acid is salicylic acid. Probable mechanism we can discuss. This is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid, which containing intramolecular hydrogen bonding also. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding ఉంది కాబట్టి orthoisomer is most stable. That's why para-isomer also possible. Minor compound. Major compound is the para-isomer, orthoisomer. Achha, what is the probable mechanism for this? It's very important. Kolb's reaction in phenol chapter. Kolb's electrolysis is different from Kolb's reaction. That's why both I am discussing in one video. Achha, see the probable mechanism. What is the probable mechanism? अच्छा फर्स्ट स्टेप में మనం फिनोल when react with NaOH मतलब basic medium OH minus. For your kind information, OH is strong base which abstract the proton only, मतलब removal of water molecule है. Probable mechanism. Then shall we write like this? अच्छा, it becomes O minus है. Now electrophile का केस है CO2 है. Now I go for CO2. This is probable mechanism only. CO2 है. अच्छा, C double bond O. अच्छा, कार्बन ऑक्सीजन बॉन्ड में ऑक्सीजन इज मोर EN वैल्यू, पोलर बॉन्ड है. कार्बन पार्शियल पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, कार्बन पॉजिटिव चार्ज है. नाउ कैसा है? अच्छा देखो, अच्छा ఈ కార్బన్ మీద స్టార్ మార్క్ పెట్టిన కార్బన్ మీద ఎలక్ట్రాన్ డెన్సిటీ ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. నేను స్టార్ మార్క్ పెట్టిన కార్బన్ మీద ఎలక్ట్రాన్ డెన్సిటీ ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. సో ఈ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ డెన్సిటీ అనేది ఇక్కడ అటాక్ అవుతుంది. అటాక్ అట్ ది సెంటర్ వేర్ more deficiency there. More deficiency ఎక్కడ ఉంది? కార్బన్ మీద ఉంది. కాబట్టి probable mechanism రాసేటప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేస్తానంటే కార్బన్ మీద ఇక్కడ అటాక్ చేస్తాను. చూడండి ఇక్కడ then I will write like this. అచ్చా, ఇక్కడ డబుల్ బాండ్ చూపిస్తాను కాబట్టి డబుల్ బాండ్ రాశాను నేను. అచ్చా, ఇక్కడ బాండ్స్ లో ఎలాంటి చేంజ్ ఏం లేదు. దెన్ CO2 రాస్తాను, CO2 రాస్తున్నాను. ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ హైడ్రోజన్ ఉంటుంది. Now ikkade rasta nenu C O minus double bond rasta. Acha దీన్ని రిపీట్ చేశాను, నేను రిపీట్ చేశాను CO minus. Acha now then proton H plus transfer చేస్తాను. H plus transfer చేస్తే నేను H plus transfer का मतलब क्या है? ये once again ये वापस जाएंगे, H plus बाहर जाएंगे, H plus कहाँ? COH అయిపోతుంది, HOH. This is propel mechanism. Now it becomes COOH అయిపోయింది, ఇక్కడ డబుల్ బాండ్ అయిపోయింది. There is no change over here. Now it becomes O minus. Phenoxide form లో వచ్చేసి and followed by hydrolysis. Acidic medium లో hydrolysis జరిగింది, acidic medium లో hydrolysis జరిగింది అనుకోండి. Hydrolysis acidic medium లో hydrolysis జరిగింది అనుకోండి, H plus hydrolysis జరిగితే acidic medium లో అచ్చా we get salicylic acid. This is called Kolb's reaction. Previous example for coal-based electrolysis, but seems to be same. Naming is same. Kolb's reaction is different. Coal-based electrolysis is different. So formation of ortho para also possible, but ortho isomer is most stable because of intramolecular ion bonding. This is called ortho hydroxy benzoic acid. We call it salicylic acid also. See the propel mechanism. What is the mechanism? Very simple, simple mechanism. अच्छा देखो, very simple mechanism है, very simple mechanism है. अच्छा first base తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి which can absorb the proton, phenoxide ion form అయింది. సో ఇక్కడ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ డెఫిషియెంట్ కార్బన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఉన్న ఈ కార్బన్ మీద ఉన్న ఎలక్ట్రాన్ డెన్సిటీ ఇక్కడ అటాక్ అవుతుంది, ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ప్రోటాన్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తాను, ప్రోటాన్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తే వస్తుంది. అండ్ లాస్ట్ స్టెప్ లో లాస్ట్ స్టెప్ acidic medium లో హైడ్రాలిసిస్ చేస్తే again we get it back into salicylic acid. So today topic only coal-based electrolysis and Kolb's reaction. Okay. Okay. Next tomorrow we'll come back to other types of reagents, some organic named reactions. Thank you. Today these two only. Any doubt in this? In these two mechanism, any doubt you have? Coal-based electrolysis, Kolb's reaction. Any doubt you have in these two mechanism? Yes, students, any doubt in this? Chalo.